Hi everyone, this is Santhosh Kumar. Welcome to MAXLOGICALS. Today I introduce the one topic, that is how to find the squares within 2 seconds. First we know the 1 to 9 squares. Let us discuss the 1 to 9 squares. 1 square 01 with 2 square 04 and 3 square 09, 4 square 16, 5 square 25 and 6 square 36 and 7 square 49 and 8 square 64 and 9 square, that is 81. That is 81. Let us discuss the trick. First we take the one number, that is 12. We find out this square and 12 square. We know 12 square, this is very small number, that's why you know that is 12 square 144. How 12 square 144? By using this trick. 2 square 04 and 1 square 01. We product of these all numbers, that is 1 2 into 2. 1 multiple 2, 2, 2 2s are 4. That is, we write these 4 in tens place and add of them 144. We discuss one more number, that is 26 square. Let's take the 26 and finding the square of them. We know already 6 square, that is 36, and 2 square 4. We product of all these digits, that is 2 into 6 into 2. 2 6 are 12, 12 2s are 24. We write the 4 in tens place and 2 in hundreds place. We add of them. 6, 3 plus 4, 7 and 4 plus 2, 6. 26 square, that is 676. And we discuss one more number. Let us take the number 72 square. 72 square, that is 2 square, you know 04. 2 square 4, but you don't write the 4 only. We write in ones place and tens place. There is no any tens place, we write the 0. And 7 square 49. We product of all these numbers, that is 7 into 2 into 2. 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. 8 write in tens place and 2 write in hundreds place, that is, and add of them 4, 0 plus 8 8, 9 plus 2 11 and 4 plus 1 5. This is the 72 square 5184. We follow this trick 1 to 999 squares. And if you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. Definitely I will respond to you and discuss once more. And let us discuss another trick. If you have ones place in 5, by using this trick, that is, let us take that number 35. We have ones place 5 digit. Then follow this trick. We know 5 square 25. We know 5 square 25. We take the number that is after 3, that is 4, and product of them 3 into 4, that is 12. 35 square 1225. And I discuss one more number. Take the 25 square, that is 5 square 25, and 2 after digit 3, that is 2 3s are 6, 625. And let us discuss the one more number, that is 225 whole square. That is, 5 square 25 and 22. We take 22 and after that number, that digit 23. We product of these two numbers, that is 22 into 23. That is 22 into 23. That is 506. 506. So 225 square 50,625. This, if you have ones place in 5, then we follow this trick. If you have ones place in any digit except 5, we follow this trick. If you have ones place in 5, we follow this trick also, but this trick is takes some time comparing this trick. So we if you have ones place in 5, should be follow this trick and you save the time in competitive examinations. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you to all. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you don't understand, and comment in comment box, I will respond to you and again discuss. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you to all.